Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. We're just going to do a quick video today. I wanted to get something out. I wanted to make some of these wings, these lemon pepper wings. So it's just going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you the steps. Alright, so sit back and relax and let me show you how we do this. Alright, of course we got our foodie out. We have frozen chicken wings. These are the party wings. They're already cut. No need for trimming on those, but they're frozen. That's what I love about this foodie. You can take it from frozen to crispy in about 15 minutes. All right, so I got me some hot water here, 1 cup of hot water, and we're just gonna pour that in there. We're gonna pressure cook this first. We're gonna take half of a lemon and just squeeze the juice in there. Just add a little extra flavor in that steaming process. Get our chicken in there. I love that you can. It's a block of chicken wings, all right, and just put it in there. All right, guys, so that's what it looks like on the inside. Top it. We're gonna use pressure. It's on high already, which we want. We're gonna go 5 minutes. Hit start. That means the pressure's coming up, and the hotter your water is that you pour in there, the faster it'll come up the pressure. All right. Okay, we're done. 5 minutes is up. We're gonna let the steam out. Alright guys, the pressure is out. Take the lid off. Let's see how these look. They're done, tender. Alright, let's get them patted dry. Okay, our chicken is out. Pat it dry. Let's get them in this bowl. We're gonna spray them with some Pam cooking spray. Probably less than a teaspoon. Gonna add a little Charlie Pug salt in there. Little crushed red pepper. Got a lemon pepper seasoning. Be generous with it. Let's mix these up. Alright, let's get these back in the crisper. Into the foodie. Let's get these back into the foodie. Dump the water. Okay. A couple more blasts of the oil. Right. Good to go. Alright, we're air crisping. 390. 10 minutes. Okay. Start. Come on back and we'll check it out. It's after 15 minutes. We did 10 minutes air crisp and then I added another 5. I've moved these around a bit. I want to add another 5 more minutes to it. So come on. All right, guys, we're done. Let's check them out. Whew. All right, these are looking crispy and crunchy. All right, let's get them out and plate them up. All right, guys, we're gonna try one of these bad boys right now. Ooh, looks pretty good to me. Got some good crunch on there, good flavor. Ooh, it's hot. That's good though. Ooh. That's good. All right. A little lemon, a little heat. Good stuff. My napkin. All right, guys. Like I said, just a quick one. Show you how this is done. Hope y'all enjoyed your day. Have a great week, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.